गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल सॉफ्टलाइन इंस्टीट्यूट। सो माय नेम इज करीना और आज की इस क्लास में हम बात करेंगे व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट एंड बैक एंड डेवलपमेंट। So welcome to this comprehensive overview of front end and back end development. This presentation aims to demystify the two fundamental pillars of web development, helping you understand their distinct roles, responsibilities and how they synergistically create modern web applications. Whether you are an aspiring developer or simply curious about the architecture of the web, this discussion will provide insightful comparisons and clear explanations. So what is front-end development? User-centric focus. Front-end development concentrates on the user interface and overall user experience. It encompasses everything users directly see and interact with, from the layout of a website to the responsiveness of a button. Visual appeal. The primary goal is to craft intuitive, responsive and visually appealing interfaces. This includes the aesthetic designs, interactive elements and ensuring a seamless experience across various devices and screen sizes. Interactive elements. Key responsibilities includes designing website layouts, styling components, implementing interactive features that enhance user engagement. This visible layer is what truly brings a web application to life to its users. Core skills that are required for front-end developments. So there are 4 core skills. That foundational language you should know. You should know how to create a responsive design, UI UX principles and framework proficiency. So HTML, CSS and JavaScript are the bedrock. JavaScript used by 97.9% of website for client-side behavior is crucial for interactivity. Mastering these forms the basis for any front-end career. A deep understanding of responsive design and mobile-first principle is essential, given that mobile devices accounted for 54.4% of global internet traffic in question number 1, 2024. Ensuring adaptability across devices is key. Proficiency in popular front-end frameworks and libraries such as React, Angular, Vue.js is highly valued and demandable. Knowledge of UI UX design principle is vital, and websites prioritizing good UX can see conversion rates 400% higher, highlighting the direct impact on design on users' websites. Okay, so what are the essential tools for front-end developers? Code editors, version control, package managers and browser developer tools are essential tools that are important for front-end developers. Modern front-end development relies heavily on powerful code editors like VS Code, Sublime Text and Atom. These tools offer features such as syntax highlighting, auto-completion and integrated terminal, significantly boosting developer productivity and code quality. Version control system, primarily Git and platforms like GitHub, and indispensable. They enable collaborative development and track changes and manage different versions of code, ensuring smooth project progressions. Package managers such as NPM, Node Package Manager and Yarn streamline the process of managing project dependencies and libraries. Integrating browser developer tools like Chrome developer tools, Firefox developer tools are critical for debugging, inspecting elements and optimizing front-end performance. Okay, so now what is back-end development? Server-side logic. Back-end development focuses on the server-side logic, encompassing the core functionality that operates behind the scenes. This includes managing data flow, handling requests, and ensuring the application stability and performance. Data management. It is a crucial aspect is database management, which involves storing, retrieving, organizing data efficiently and securely. Backend developers design and implement database schemas, ensuring data integrity and accessibility with security and efficiency. So backend operations are responsible for data processing, security measures, ensuring the application functions correctly and efficiently. This includes implementing authentication, authorization and optimizing performance for complex operations. System integrations. Key task involves server configurations, writing database queries and developing robust APIs. API, the full form of API is application programming interfaces. So these APIs serves as the communication bridge between the front end and the back end, enabling seamless integration. Now what are the core skills for backend developer required? Programming languages you should know database management, server architecture and API designs. So proficiency in backend programming languages like Python, Java, Node.js, PHP, Ruby is fundamental. Python, for instance, is used by 48.4% of developers, highlighting its versatility and widespread adoption. Storing skills in database management system, including both SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and NoSQL, are critical. Understanding server architecture and deployment strategies is essential for building scalable and reliable applications. Expertise in API designs and development, especially with architectural styles like REST and GraphQL, is paramount. Essential tools for backend developers. So, integrated development environments, database management tools, API testing tools, and server management tools are important. So, in integrated development environments, Eclipse provide comprehensive feature for coding, debugging, and project management. In database management tools such as MySQL, Workbench, and MongoDB comprises the crucial for interacting. Technologies like Docker and Kubernetes are vital for managing and deploying server applications. And API testing tools like Postman and Insomnia are indispensable for verifying the functionality and performance of API. Front-end versus back-end career paths and salaries. Front-end developer. If you are a front-end developer, then your salary must be $120K to $180K per year. For back-end developers, it's $130 to $200 per year, and full-stack developer $140 to $220 a year. Both front-end and back-end developer offering rewarded career path with competitive salaries. Front-end roles includes UI developer, UX engineer, front-end architecture, focusing on user-facing applications, back-end roles, span software engineer, etc. Collaboration between front-end and back-end. Team synergy. Front-end and back-end teams must work in close synergy. This collaborative approach ensures that the user interface seamlessly integrates with the underlying server logic and data, providing a unified and consistent user experience. Effective communication, APIs as bridges, and agile methodologies. And at last, the future of front-end, back-end. Front-end evolution. The front-end is set to see continued innovation with technologies like WebAssembly enabling near native performance in browsers, progressive web apps, blurring the lines between web and native apps, and enhanced AR/VR experiences, creating immersive user interactions. Backend revolution. Backend development will be transformed by the rise of serverless computing, reducing infrastructure management overhead. Microservices architecture will further modularize applications, while AI-powered automation will optimize operations and data processing. Both growth and demand. Both fields are poised for substantial growth and innovation driven by increasing demands for complex, high-performance web applications. The continuous evolution of technology will open new possibilities and challenges for developers. And at last, full stack importance. Full stack developers with their versatile skill set spanning career growth for both front end and back end will remain in the high demand. So I hope आपको clear हो गया होगा what is the difference between front end and back end development. तो आज की क्लास में इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसी तरह के इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स के साथ. थैंक यू सो मच.